Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your bank account to Zelle for instant money transfers, follow these step-by-step instructions to connect your banking information securely. Step 1. Determine whether you will use Zelle through your bank's mobile app or through the standalone Zelle app. The process differs slightly for each. Step 2. If using Zelle through your bank's app, open your banking app and log in. Zelle should already be connected to your bank account automatically. Simply navigate to the Zelle section to verify. Step 3. If you are using the standalone Zelle app, open it and log in with your registered email or phone number. Step 4. In the standalone Zelle app, tap on the menu icon or settings to access your profile and account information. Step 5. Look for an option to link bank account or add bank under your payment settings or profile section. Step 6. Enter your debit card information from the bank account you want to link. The debit card must be issued by a U.S. bank and connected to a checking account. Step 7. Provide your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and the billing ZIP code associated with your debit card when prompted. Step 8. Zelle will verify your debit card and bank account connection. This process is usually instant. Once verified, your bank account is now linked to Zelle and you can send and receive money transfers immediately using your email or mobile phone number. Make sure your bank supports Zelle transfers for full functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.